Good afternoon, railroad fans. Cajon Pass. Hope you're all doing great. I got a nice stack train here for you. Moving up main track number 1 at Blue Cut, milepost 65.2. This port stack came out of Pier 400 in Long Beach, California, and it's headed to Logistics Park, Elwood, Illinois. I know you're going to like what you see. Please subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, help us out with super thanks. All right. We love you guys, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care.
Clear.
Hey, railroad fans, Cajon Pass. We're on Route 66 at Blue Cut, milepost 65. Train's on main track number 2 eastbound. Cajon Creek right below me. A lot of people go down in there and they hike around. A lot of history down in there. All the trails went through here through the years. And this is a really tight part of the pass, so. Check the description for the origin and the destination. I think I saw San Bernardino to Elwood, Illinois, something like that. But I'll double check. Don't hold me to that.
San Bernardino radio, over.
So 106 degrees when I got out of my car just now. Hottest day of the year so far. It's baking out here. We went up to Sullivan's Curve earlier, caught some good trains. Make sure you check those out.
Hey, this is the 103 Dodge here at Atlanta, and you need a poke, over.
And baking out here. If I was an egg, I'd be about well done by now. I think I'm gonna call it a day. It's just too hot. shoot on these bluffs up here where this train is going through this cut quite often.
He's on the move now, and can you the number over? And is your sample the SPD 101 over? No, you're the 103. Okay. All right, look out for the signal over.
Signal. Hopefully that's the end of it. Hope you like what you see. Please subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, and share with your family and friends. Help us out on Super Thanks if you can. We love to get your help. Thanks for... All right, you guys. Thanks for watching. Please watch a couple more. Love you guys. We'll catch you on the next one.